Good evening, it's September 12th, 2025, and it's pretty close to 7 p.m. right now. I've been working on moving chips most of the afternoon. I started off with moving soil from where Harold's pit's going to be, which is the other side of the bend there. Soil went up along the fence line for the pasture grass. I gotta level it off a little ways so I can mow it for when they don't eat the weeds that pop up. So kind of tapering that off and leveling the pig pen at the same time. So did a lot of tractor work today. Got other things to do tomorrow. Great evening, and it's about time to feed the animals. I'm sure my wife will be letting me know this here soon, so she milked the goat. I got quite a bit of the chip pile moved. Been a good day. Well, looks like it's time to feed. I'm not sure if the kid's going to help her. Supervisors. Cecil's happy. He likes the tractor. Well, Charlie and Haley's gonna help feed, so I'm gonna move some more of this wood chip pile. I got most of the pile moved. Getting dark, so all of the day, I guess. Well, there's plenty of space to add more wood chips if the guys want to deliver them, and we'll put them to use.